I just got to Adelaide and I've checked into the Pullman in Adelaide on Hindmarsh Square. So this is the quick room tour. We come through the door here and there is a wardrobe and various things in the for snacks and drinks, and I think the fridge will be in there. I've just kind of dumped my stuff now. Desk, phone, information. You've got all of your stuff on the TV, so you can press the menu for all of that kind of information. It's very much like the Pullman hotels and resorts around the world. A nice little seating area here. 2 double beds, so I can choose which one I want to sleep in. Pretty tired at the moment, so that's going to be really good. Then, let me see, is this the... No? I don't know where the light is. Oh, here we go. So, really nice, clean stuff. Towels, hairdryer, always look for that because I always need it. The usual like toiletries. So this is what they offer. Some of these little kits are really good, especially like sewing kits, just in case anything happens while you're on like a business trip. Really nice big shower here. Toilet, more towels. So this looks really nice. I don't think I'm going to be able to show you outside because it's quite dark. Let me see. Oh, it's kind of a car park out there. But just sort of down the street there's like a square with different shops and bars and different hotels on it. So yeah, this is where I'm staying, and after travelling since Saturday morning and it's now 9 PM Sunday night, I could really do with a sleep. So this is a really nice hotel though, very comfortable, clean, looks like it's going to be a good stay here.